Oh, I'm feeling low again. Ain't shit I owe to them.
Ladies and gentlemen, Tom Lenkry, your trusted real estate broker. Welcome to my new listing in this outstanding North Richland Hills community. You're going to be amazed. This two-story home going to shock you. Are you ready to be amazed? Come join me.
Giving every piece of my soul, so you don't know how to keep me low. Giving every piece of my soul, so you don't know how to keep me low. Oh, I'm feeling low again. Ain't shit I owe to them. They don't wanna let it go. Oh, I'm feeling low again. Ain't shit I owe to them. They don't wanna let it go. Giving every piece of my soul. You say you don't know how to keep me low. Giving every piece of my soul. You say you don't know how